ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸில் எக்கனாமிக்ஸில் இருக்க புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இதில் எக்கனாமிக்ஸில் 5 லெசன் இருக்குது. அதாவது இது வந்து ஃபுல் புக்கு இப்போ ரீசெண்டாக ரிவைஸ் பண்ணி பப்ளிஷ் பண்ண புக்கு. ஒவ்வொரு லெசனுக்கும் நம்ம வந்து புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். யூனிட் 1 அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் டெவலப்மெண்ட் பெர்ஸ்பெக்டிவ்ஸ் மெஷர்மெண்ட் அண்ட் சஸ்டைனபிலிட்டி. ஃபஸ்ட்டு சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஷின் அசர்ஷன் வந்து என்னென்னா டெவலப்மெண்ட் இன்க்ரீசஸ் த குவாலிட்டி ஆஃப் லைஃப். ரீசன் பீப்புள் வில் ஹாவ் ஹையர் இன்கம்ஸ், பெட்டர் எஜுகேஷன், பெட்டர் ஹெல்த் அண்ட் நியூட்ரிஷன், லெஸ் பாவர்ட்டி. இதுக்கு வந்து ஆன்சர் வந்து போத் ஏ அண்ட் ஆர் ட்ரூ அண்ட் ஆர் எக்ஸ்பிளைன்ஸ் ஏ. ஆன்சர் ஏ. செகண்ட் ஒன், த டேர்ம் ஹியூமன் ரிசோர்ஸ் ரெஃபர்ஸ் டு collective abilities of people. D. Third one, for comparing development between countries, their income is considered to be one of the most important attributes. Answer B. Fourth one, NNP, net national product அப்படிங்கிறது is called considered as true measure of national income, NNP. Then fifth one, the average income is also called per capita income. Sixth, which one of the following country is not a G8 country? India. Seventh one, which one of the following country is not a member of SAARC? China. Eighth assertion, the net national product is considered as a true measure of the national output. It is also known as net national income. Answer, both assertion and reason are true and or explains A. Answer A. Okay. Assertion, human resource is necessary for progress of any country. Reason, investment in education and health of people can result in a high rate of returns in future for a country. இதுக்கு assertion and reason are true and or explains A. Answer வந்து A. Then 10th one, the human development index does not take into account the following dimension in its calculation. Gender. 11th one, among the following states, which state have the literacy rate 2011 higher than national average? Tamil Nadu. 12th one, sex ratio means the number of females per 1000 males. 13th one, intergenerational equality is ensured under the process of sustainable development. Then 14th, இதில் find the odd one வந்து natural gas. Answer D. 15th, Tamil Nadu is the state with highest installed solar capacity in India. 16th, dash resource are those which will get exhausted after years of use, non-renewable. 17th one, thermal plant emit large quantity of carbon dioxide which pollutes the environment. Fill in the blanks. First, economic progress of any country is known as economic development. Second one, the headquarters of HRD, Human Resource Development Ministry, is in New Delhi இருக்க சாஸ்திரி பவன். New Delhi சாஸ்திரி பவன். Third one, the state having the highest literacy rate in India is Kerala. Human Development Report of the World prepared and released by UNDP. Fifth one, groundwater is an example of renewable resource. Sixth, the book An Uncertain Glory was written by Professor Amartya Sen. Match the following. First, development part of daily life, human resource education, solar energy, renewable resource. 1972 Wildlife Protection Act. 4312. Okay friends, next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 2, employment in India and Tamil Nadu. Choose the correct answer. First question, we take age group 15 to 60 years for computation of the workforce. Second, which is the correct sequence of various sectors in GDP of India in the descending order? First one, the tertiary sector, secondary sector, primary sector. Then which one of the following sectors is the largest employer in India? Primary sector. Then fourth one, which one of the following is not in primary sector? Manufacturing. மற்ற மூணுமே வந்து primary தான், secondary. Then fifth one, which one of the following is not in secondary sector? is not in வந்து forestry வந்து primary. Sixth one, tertiary sector includes transport, insurance, banking. மூணுமே தான். Answer D, all of these. Seventh one, which sector is not included in the occupational pattern? வந்து private sector. Then 8th one, match list 1 and list 2 using the codes given below. First, agricultural, forestry, fishery and mining எல்லாம் primary sector. Manufacturing, electricity, gas and water supply இதெல்லாம் secondary sector. Trade, transport and communication வந்து service sector and unincorporated enterprise and household industries எல்லாம் வந்து unorganized sector. Answer வந்து 4321. 4321 இங்கே வந்து எங்கே இருக்குது? ஆப்ஷன் வந்து B. Okay, 9th one, which Delhi Sultan of medieval India formed employment bureau to solve the unemployment problem? Feroza Tughlaq. இது வந்து நிறைய தடவை கேட்டிருக்காங்க இந்த கொஸ்டின். 10th, unorganized sector is registered and follows government rules. ஆர்கனைஸ் செக்டர், அன்ஆர்கனைஸ் செக்டர் கிடையாது, ஆர்கனைஸ்டு செக்டரில் தான் வந்து சர்டன் ரூல்ஸை ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவாங்க. தென் 11th ஒன், ஆர்கனைஸ் செக்டர் ப்ரொவைட்ஸ் ஜாப் செக்யூரிட்டி அண்ட் ஹையர் வேஜஸ். 12th, ஃபைண்ட் த ஆட் ஒன். இதில் வந்து ஆட் ஒன் பார்த்தோம்னா மற்ற எல்லாமே சர்வீஸு, ஸ்மால் ஸ்கேல் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி மட்டும் செகண்டரி. ஸோ ஆப்ஷன் வந்து டி. 13, the sectors are classified into public and private sectors on the basis of ownership. பார்த்தோம்னா ownership of enterprises. Option C. 14th, assertion A. The unorganized sector of the economy characterized by the household manufacturing activity and small scale industry. Unorganized sector of the economy characterized by the jobs are low paid and often not regular. இது வந்து என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா both A and or are true and or but reason வந்து does not explain A. Option B. Then 15th one, people who employ workers and pay rewards for their work is termed as employer. 16, agriculture continues to be the largest employer in Tamil Nadu. Fill in the blanks. First, unorganized sector, the employment terms are not fixed and regular. Unorganized sector. Second one, economic activities are classified into public and private sectors. Third, employment has always featured as an important element of development policy in India. Fourth, employment pattern changes due to the lifestyle of people. Fifth one, the nature of employment in India is multidimensional. Sixth one, labor force of the economy is the number of people in the country who work and also capable of working. Labor force. Then ஏழாவது, public sector means government undertaking, அதாவது PSU அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க, public sector units, PSU. Then match the following. First, public sector service motive, private sector profit motive, primary sector poultry, tertiary sector banking. Okay friends, next unit பார்ப்போம். Unit 3, money and credit. First, choose the correct answer. First question, certain metals like gold were used as medium of exchange in ancient times. Second, the headquarters of the RBI is at Mumbai. Third, international trade is carried on in terms of US dollars. Fourth, the currency of Japan is yen. Fill in the blanks. First, barter system can be considered as the first form of trade. Second, money supply is divided into 4. Third, the first printing press of the RBI was started at Nasik, Maharashtra. Fourth one, the Reserve Bank of India act as a regulator of the circulation of money. Fifth one, the thesis about money by B.R. Ambedkar is the problem of the rupee, its origin and solution. Then match the following. US dollar, universally accepted currency. Currency in circulation 85%. ATM, automatic teller machine, automated teller machine னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Salt, substitute of money. Rial, Saudi Arabia ஓட கரன்சி தான் வந்து ரியால். Then correct statement, write the correct statement. First, the barter system flourished wherever circulations thrived. This was the initial form of trade. So ரெண்டுமே வந்து கரெக்ட் தான். Answer 2. Second, most of the international trade transactions are carried out in US dollar. No other country except the US carries out trade in the world. First வந்து கரெக்ட், செகண்ட் வந்து wrong. Answer C. Okay friends, next unit பார்க்கலாம். Unit 4, agriculture in Tamil Nadu. First, choose the correct answer. First question, irrigated land surface out of cultivable land is 57%. Second, out of the following which is not a staple food crop? Coconut. Third one, the production of paddy during the year 2014-15 is 4,429 kilogram. Then fourth one, both agricultural productivity and food productivity has increased. Fifth one, The northeast monsoon period in Tamil Nadu வந்து October to December. Second, fill in the blanks. First question, the major occupation of people in Tamil Nadu is agriculture. Second, Tamil Nadu receives rainfall from the northeast monsoon. Third, the total geographical area of Tamil Nadu is 1,30,33,000 hectares. Then match the following. First, non-food crops வந்து coconut, chenna, dal, urad dal, tur dal, green grams எல்லாம். North east monsoon October to December. Small farmers less than 1 hectare of cultivable land. Number of farmers in 2015-16 வந்து 79,38,000. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next unit பார்க்கலாம். இந்த எக்கனாமிக்ஸில் வந்து லாஸ்ட் யூனிட்டு மைக்ரேஷன். Choose the correct answer. First question, according to the 2011 census, the total population of India was answer A 121 crore. Second, DAS has recorded the maximum number of immigrants in the Chennai. Third, during 2015, 7% of illiterates were migrants from Tamil Nadu. Fourth, the poorest section of the population migrate as a survival strategy. Second, fill in the blanks. First one, migration is enumerated on place of birth and place of residence basis. Second, mobility of population in rural area is greater than urban areas. Third, in rural India, as per census 2011, 37% of the population are counted as migrants. Fourth, marriage is the main reason for female migration. Fifth, and migrant stream would consist of heterogeneous substreams. Then match the following. Migrant policy to reduce the volume of migration. Female migrant வந்து marriage. Chennai, maximum number of immigration. Better off migrants to improve the living standards. Salem, low incidence of immigration. Male migrants work. Answer 653214. ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இப்போ வந்து நமக்கு 9th லெசனில் இருக்கிற எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் பார்ட் ஃபுல்லாக நம்ம புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்த்தாச்சு. வேறு ஒரு வீடியோவில் மீட் பண்ணுவோம். தேங்க்யூ.